Hi, and welcome to a Pin Publishing Interactive account management tutorial. In this video, I will be covering how to add a contact to your control panel account. So let's get started. First, you will need to go to pinpublishing.com in a web browser. For this case, I'm using Firefox. Once you're here, on the menu bar on the right-hand side, go to the Account tab and then click Login. This will prompt you to log in with your Pin Publishing Interactive control panel account. Once you've logged in, you will arrive at a screen that looks something like this. Now on the left hand side you will have your current contacts, and if you don't have any contacts this will just be blank. Go ahead and click on this blue button to add a new contact. And go ahead and fill out the first name, last name, company, email address, and so forth. Once you've done that, you will notice there is a checkbox down here to activate the sub-account. If you click that, essentially what this means is that if you want this user to be able to log into the control panel and only view specific parts of the control panel, you can set that here. So if I wanted to add a billing contact, I would look for the permissions for billing related things such as viewing products and services, viewing domains, viewing and paying invoices, and viewing and opening support tickets. So I would checkbox those, then I would type in a password for them to use. You can give them just whatever password you want, and they can change it once they log in. And then finally down here you will have email preferences. So for billing, I would go ahead and check the invoice emails. So whenever a new invoice is generated by the control panel, they will be emailed about it. And one thing to note is if you don't want them to log into the control panel, you can still have them receive invoice emails by just having this checked, and then their sub account itself won't be active. So they can't log in, but they still get emails. And once you've done all that, go ahead and click Save Changes. And then once your changes have been saved, click the Home button on the top left. And now on the left hand side, you will see the new contact that you have added to your account. As always, if you have any questions about the services we provide or other products, feel free to visit us at pinpublishing.com. You can email us at sales@pinpublishing.com. If you are on Facebook or Twitter, feel free to leave a like. And finally, if you're watching this on YouTube, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and until next time.